Short and simple office basic phrases. The AC is too cold. We're low on toner. Welcome to the team. We have a dress code. The power is back on. The power is back on. We're going paperless. We encourage feedback. Follow the exit signs. The printer is jammed. I need your signature. Take a message for me. I'll send you the link. I'll send you the link. I need a new mouse pad. Let's draft a proposal. Did you order more pens? I'm out of sticky notes. Complete your timesheet. Send the file via email. The fax machine is down. The fax machine is down. I'll CC you in the email. Can you grab some coffee? Let's discuss the agenda. Reserve the parking spot. Your office key is ready. Our policy is to recycle. Please sign the contract. Please sign the contract. Our office hours are 9 to 5. Let's take a coffee break. Check the office calendar. The cleaning crew is here. Share the Google Doc link. Submit your weekly report. Our IT support is on call. Take a break in the lounge. We need more printer paper. Submit your expense report. Remember to log your hours. Safety goggles are provided. I'll fix the jammed printer. Conference room is reserved. Reserve the conference room. Get some fresh air at lunch. Let's meet in the boardroom. Request time off in advance. Lock your computer when away. Safety first. Wear a helmet. Check your email for updates. We have a fire drill at 3 p.m. The janitorial staff is here. Time to file those documents. We offer flexible work hours. The copier needs maintenance. Check your voicemail messages. Clean the microwave after use. Don't forget your access card. Remember the safety protocols. Clean your desk before leaving. Double-check your calculations. Don't leave food in the fridge. Use the conference call number. Use the phone for client calls. We have a casual Friday policy. Use the restroom on your break. Update your software regularly. Passwords change every 90 days. Don't forget the client's name. Our office is on the 5th floor. Please silence your cell phones. Please silence your cell phones. The photocopier is out of paper. We have a team meeting at 10 a.m. Share your ideas in the meeting. Please sign in at the front desk. The coffee maker is on the fritz. Reimburse your business expenses. I'll schedule a meeting for 3 p.m. I'll schedule a meeting for 3 p.m. The office is closed on weekends. Use the shared drive for storage. Don't forget to print the report. Put your dishes in the dishwasher. We'll order lunch for the meeting. Our Wi-Fi password is Office 123. Please find attached the document. Our Wi-Fi password is Office 123. Please find attached the document. The elevator is under maintenance. Who's taking notes in the meeting? Save your work before logging out. Time for a team building activity. The coffee machine is out of cups. Book the flight for the conference. Book the flight for the conference. Emergency exits are clearly marked. Turn off the lights when you leave. Check the stock of office supplies. Use the paper shredder for disposal. Check the calendar for availability. Dress professionally for the client. Our office policy is zero tolerance. Our office policy is zero tolerance. Use the whiteboard for brainstorming. We're upgrading the computer systems. The fridge will be cleaned on Friday. Pay attention to the safety briefing. There's a first aid kit in the break room.